It's me, Bree Reads!
Hi friends, it's me, Bree Reads. Today, let's draw a truck together, inspired by this book. You can read with me in another video. Today, let's draw like this. For a free printable version, visit my website. For this project, you'll need paper, a pencil to draw with, a marker to outline with, and something to color with. I'm using crayons. Start with your paper like this. We'll draw 2 wheels at the bottom with some space on each side. 1 circle here with space, and 1 over here. Now, draw a straight line to connect them. Next, the bumpers. We'll draw a rectangle shape on the back like this. One more time, closer. And 1 on the front. One more time, closer. Now, from the front bumper, we'll go up. Then turn over and stop around the middle of the first wheel. From here, go up again in a curved line. Now over and down. Try to match this spot. Now a straight line almost all the way to the back. But leave a tiny space and go down to the bumper. Next, the windshield. From this spot, I go over and stop. Then go up and stop, and over this way to close it. Now, a line here for the door. Next, we'll make a headlight with a rounded kind of square shape in the corner here. I added some lines. Then, at the back of the truck, a tail light. The same rounded square shape, this time with 1 line. Last, I put smaller circles for the wheels of the tires. To make this drawing pop and feel like a coloring page, I use a black marker to outline everywhere I have pencil. When I'm finished, I take my pencil and erase the extra lines. Now it's time to add color. I use this light sky blue for the headlight and window. Then gray for the bumpers and wheels. Remember, use whatever colors you like. This is your unique truck, and it can look however you want. I use black for the tires. Then orange for the bottom of the brake light. And red for the top. The story that inspired our drawing is about a little yellow truck. But again, choose whatever color you feel like today. I'm choosing this blue color. And I color, color, color until it's all done. Ta-da! Thank you for drawing with me today, friends. What color truck did you make? Keep creating and please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.